I am Raina Zainab. You are watching Saiban News HD. Now, adding some news from Rawalpindi. As per ISPR, a high-level defense delegation from the Republic of South Africa, led by Dr. Thabikail Gamande, Acting Secretary of Defense, called on Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmad Babar Sindhu, Chief of the Air Staff, Pakistan Air Force, at Air Headquarters, Islamabad. During the meeting, Chief of the Air Staff reiterated PAF's commitment to collaborating with the South African Air Force in military-to-military cooperation and the training domain. Dr. Thabikal Gamande commended the professionalism and accomplishment of Pakistan Air Force, highlighting its success in the domains of indications and cutting-edge technical advancement. She expressed desires of cooperation from PAF for modernization and servicing of critical equipment. The dignity also conveyed an earnest interest in bolstering the exciting cooperation between the air forces of both countries. That includes cooperation for increased collaborative efforts to revamp training setups ranging from basics to tactical levels across multiple warfare domains. The South African delegation also articulated intentions to re-equip their air force and establish an industrial setup aligned with the National Aerospace Science and Technology Park being spearheaded by PAF. The visit of Acting Secretary of Defense South Africa to Air Headquarters, Islamabad is testament to strong commitment of both nations to further enhance their military partnership through continued dialogue and collaboration.